Introducing Hootiful. This stamp set has a collection of 5 cute little owls. Just look how sweet they are with their adorable little faces. And this set also has a selection of quite generic sentiments actually, but the real magic behind this stamp set are these little star images. So these can be used to create like a shooting star effect on your background, kind of like this. But because they have different lengths, what you can actually do is build your own constellation. Can you see in the background of these cards here how you can use these images because they have the different lengths of tail here, these little dashes. You can build your own designs and you can even create words or names out of it. It's so fun. There's also a selection of solid stars and open stars as well, if you prefer that, if you like to color. And we have a branch that you can pop your cute little owl on there. We have this owl. This one I always think is a mama owl holding out his wing to put little baby owl in there to give it a cuddle. This one here looks like he's ready for a hug. And then we have this guy who's just happy soaring through the sky. Just look how adorable he is there. We've got him on here as well. And then this guy's coming into land. Like here we have him with this cute little tree stump here, also included in the set. So we've got a selection of sentiments here. For example, we have got wishing you a hootiful day. Hoot hoot, you're so cute. And then you can see here, I thank my lucky stars, because of all the stars. And then on the inside, we've added one of these sentiments that says, for you-hoo, which is also here. And of course, you could use that for you-hoo on its own. We've also got you are hootiful, which brings in the name Hootiful, the stamp set. And hip, hip, hooray, which is perfect for a congratulations kind of stamp set. So there we go, that is Hootiful. And we also have some other star themed products, for example the stargazer backdrop and also the starfall stencil, and it works really well with this set.